I know I have a community of intentional business owners, scratch that, intentional solution providers who show up even when they don't feel like it. And that is why I am here, showing up even when I'm not supposed to be shooting today. So, welcome to the channel. So, today we are going to discuss what I term the double D. Yeah, the double D dose. Okay? What does this double D mean? Double D means two words: decision and discipline. And this is a dose you need this year if you want to succeed on WhatsApp. If you want to make the millions on WhatsApp. Yes, you might say, oh, WhatsApp is a simple tool. Why should I stay on WhatsApp? Why should I use WhatsApp to sell? And how will I use WhatsApp to make millions? Baby, it is possible. You can achieve that. You can make millions with that small tool known as WhatsApp. Yes. So you need these two things, which is discipline, first decision rather, then discipline. First, decision. You have to decide, what do you want for yourself this year? What do you want to achieve using WhatsApp as a business owner this year? Do you want to make millions with WhatsApp? Do you want to sell off um, millions of your products with WhatsApp? Do you want to offer services to individuals, to businesses, to millions of businesses using WhatsApp? What do you want to achieve using WhatsApp this year? First, you have to make that decision. It could be that you want to make millions using WhatsApp for an instance. Then you have to decide that that is what you will do. Make that decision that this is what I would do this year. Don't say I will try. No, we don't need that. We need you to decide. Take this one decision, as in do this one thing, which is to decide. Decide that I'm going to make millions this year. Decide that I'm going to use WhatsApp to become a millionaire. First of all, you decide. Okay? Then when you decide, you move over to the second one. But before you move over to the second one, I have something to tell you. You know I like to tell stories and all. So this is me, or give examples. This is me giving an example. Last year, I decided I was going to create content here on YouTube for business owners, for intentional business owners like you that is watching this video. So now I left my house, yes, my comfort zone, my home, to another state in an apartment that was not given to me. Okay, or rather, that was given to me. It's like I don't own the apartment, I did not pay for rent. So you can imagine the conditions in that type of apartment. So it was difficult for me to create video inside that room. Not because the room was not good enough or anything, but I couldn't create content inside. It was inconvenient. You understand? So now, that did not stop me because I've already made the decision that I was going to create content. I was going to open a channel and talk to intentional business owners and tell them about, like, tell them what to do, what to avoid, how to succeed. Because a few years ago, I sold skincare products using WhatsApp. Yes, I sold skincare products on WhatsApp. So I made mistakes. I failed. And now I know what I did wrong and I found solutions to the problems. You understand? So now this is me coming to intentional business owners to tell them to ensure that they don't make the mistakes I made a few years ago. So I made that decision to open a channel. Now, my condition then, that's the room where I was staying, did not prevent me from creating content. Go to my channel, go there and check my old videos. You will see that I was creating content inside classrooms, different classrooms. I was creating content outside. I'll get my tripod, my microphone, step outside and create content. Just because I made the simple decision to create content, I did not allow anything to stop me. So you, as my intentional solution provider, you have to decide that you see this year, I'm going to make millions using WhatsApp, and nothing is going to stop you once you make that decision. Don't say you're going to wing it. Oh, let's see how it goes. I will try my best. No, we don't do that over here. You're not going to try your best. You're going to do the actual work. You're going to first decide and then do whatever is expected for you to do to achieve that goal, that set goal. Okay? So I want you to decide. Tell me in the comment section, I am going to decide to do whatever is supposed to be done. Leave it in the comment section, please. Now, after making this decision, the second D, the second dose you need if you want to get the what you want, the result that you want, and that result now is success here on WhatsApp, or rather success as a WhatsApp vendor, as a WhatsApp seller. The second thing you need is discipline. You have to be disciplined. You have to give yourself pep talk. You have to tell yourself, you see, now I've decided that this year I'm going to make millions. Perhaps you have a particular amount you want to make using WhatsApp. You have a particular number of products you want to sell using WhatsApp. The next thing is for you to be disciplined. It's a non-negotiable. You have to be disciplined. Now, discipline will literally help you act the way you're supposed to act, do the things you're supposed to do in order to achieve that thing you've decided that you want to achieve. Okay? Now, you know that sometimes you might not feel like doing anything, but discipline will make you do those things. Now, you might be discouraged when sales are low on WhatsApp, when your views are low, when leads are not converting. You know, things are happening, that are supposed to make you give up are happening. But discipline will make you to stay steadfast. It will make you continue and never give up. You still continue to post on your WhatsApp status. You continue to, follow up on people. You still continue to track your views and the few sales you're having. Like, do those things that you're supposed to do on a daily basis. All those things you're supposed to do, discipline will make you do it even when you don't feel like it. Even when you don't feel like showing up, you still have to show up. Even when your WhatsApp is giving you all the reasons to give up, to be like, I can't do this anymore. Oh, it's not working out. Oh, I need to go to another platform. Oh, I need to start another business. Oh, I don't think this business moves fast. I think it's a saturated industry. You know, even when these things are there, even when you feel discouraged, discipline will make you keep at it, will make you keep going, will keep pushing you. So this year, I want you to do something for me. I want you to go and take this double D medication. Yes, go and take this dosage. It's very necessary. You need it as a business owner, scratch that, as a solution provider, as an intentional solution provider who belongs in this community. I am recommending this dosage for you. Go and take it. Go and take this medication, okay? The double D medication. You need it. So, my intentional business owners, I hope you really got the message I have for you today. Now, as I mentioned earlier, my bundle, the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle, is still available for intentional business owners, scratch that, intentional solution providers who are ready, who have decided that they're taking the right action, using the right tools to make sure that they achieve whatever goal they have set out to achieve. It will literally take you from point A to Z. If you want to sell with confidence, clarity, structure, intentionality on WhatsApp, go and check it out. Go to the description box, you see the link there. Click it and check it out. Okay? Now tell me your key takeaway. Also, like this video and subscribe to this channel if you are here and you like the type of content that you are watching. You are all about WhatsApp marketing, you're all about sales, business growth, then subscribe to this channel. Till I see you in my next video. Take care.